So the topic is do with emotions and conviction. So what does this mean? As you already know that we should do the work that we are doing with emotion, that will only provide us with energy to do that work. Means there has to be some emotions, because emotions, if you break down the word, it means energy in motion. There is a motion is required to do a work, and that motion needs energy to in order to perform that task or that work, and that will come from emotions. Means there has to be certain reason of you doing that work. There has to be a reason. Means if you are searching for a reason, I know you will not find it out. It means everyone has tried this thing, that searching for reason to study, searching for a reason to do that particular work, so that we might be able to do that work, but it has not worked out. Means we have to do with emotions. Now let us try to understand doing with emotion and conviction. Conviction means like with intense energy, something like that. Now people who have done already something, like I will be taking the example of Sandeep Maheshwari because I know him well. I have been listening his videos from, means, nearly 9 to 10 years, 8 to 9 years. So he has done something in his life, something, not, it's a very big thing. There were emotions. Means when he was doing something, means many things, he was able to do them because he had an idea. Means what if I do this thing, something will come out of it, something amazing will come out of it, let us try this thing. So it was also a type of emotions. Means let us try something new, will it work out or not. I'm also giving my personal example, how much I have understood this world. So this thing will surely motivate you, that let us try this thing, it's new. Means let us check whether it will work out or not, let us try to do this thing in this particular work, let us try to do this particular work in this or that way. But in the end, when you will fail in that work, means I won't be saying failure, but it's a kind of failure according to you, because the thing that you were expecting did not happen. Because if you won't be expecting that, you won't be getting energy to do that particular work. But after a failure, how to continue that work? Now what type of emotion do we need here? We definitely need some kind of emotion to work after a failure. After failure, there's a massive loss of desires, dreams. Everything is gone. Now you can't work because you were working because of that dream. It has gone into the dustbin. Now how can you work? There has to be a new aim. An aim is always set, that I have to find my interest work. That is your aim. That should be everybody's aim. If not, means cracking government exam, that should be one's aim according to his or her own life, or his or her own, means whatever he or she wants to be. Means I am just rating it with interest work. How to continue the work after a massive failure? Means we tried that way and it didn't turn out well. Means we didn't find our interest work. Now what do we do? Because now we have failed in that thing, means that didn't work out. The answer I also don't know, but we will try to understand this from Sandeep Maheshwari's life, Sandeep sir's life. Now, after a failure, he sat up to 1 month in his home, like one of his failures or achievements, we can say. So, what did he do? He didn't do anything. He just waited, like I also waited for a new desire, for new emotion, that let us try this thing, what will happen, let's see. But that won't come out because we have failed in every possible new way. We have tried everything. We don't even have the regret of life. Means we were not able to do that, do this, because we've tried everything. We have failed in everything in that particular field. Not, means there are many things that we can do, but in a particular field there are limited ways. There are also not limited ways, but whatever we want to do, we have tried everything and we have failed. Now there is nothing left that we can do anew. There was something of our vision, means there was something in our vision that I want to do this, and in turn what happened was people let you down and people told you that don't do this, it's not right. Who are those peoples? They are talented peoples, means they are intelligent peoples in that particular field. They are so intelligent, they are experienced, their age is far from us, means they are very aged also, they have lot of experience. They are telling us not to do this in that particular field, but we had a vision. That vision is far beyond their level. They don't do that much things in that particular field. They haven't done that much things in that particular field, but we have a vision that is in that age. When we will come in that age, you that person can't even imagine what can we become. We can become 100 times better than that person. Every person would be knowing our name. We had that vision inside us, but when we continue to execute that, slowly that person or more of such persons, means there is not only one person who is also intelligent in that particular field. There are many other persons that come and strike us. No, this will not happen, don't do this, means they have authority. They can tell us that you don't have, you should, means your that work would not be taken into consideration, so you have to change your way. And what will turn out? Your dreams will die because of those stupid peoples who didn't knew your vision, who never tried to listen your vision, never tried to know that do you have a vision for your future. And slowly you forget about that dream. Now you are in that position when you are able to do nothing, you are not able to do any work because your dream died, and you don't even know that your dream died, because slowly everything you forgot everything, that how everything happened. You forgot your that vision because of peoples, because of negative peoples who are who are having intellectual knowledge in that particular field. You think that they are, I think, if they are saying, they must be something right. But leave every person in that, means no matter he is intelligent or she is intelligent, if they are letting you down, leave them. You have to now continue that, the thing that you were doing. When you were doing, you were feeling, you were having that pleasure. You were, means your content, your work that you were doing, that was massive, means every day you were able to do work up to 12 hours, 13 hours, 16 hours. But now you don't even work for a single hour. You do that much work, that much is required, means at the deadline. But at that particular point of time, when you were doing that work that you wanted to do, uh, for which you were discouraged by intellectual people, so in that particular field, uh, you were enjoying that work, you had vision. But now you are not continuing that work. You have to do it now, you have to start it again. But this time, if someone will say something, you don't have to listen that, because you have already seen that worst phase when you were not able to do anything throughout the day. Not even a single minute you have invested, or single minute you have worked in that field that you are in right now. So you have to start that again. Will you start? You have to really start that thing, because if you will not start right now, nothing is gonna happen. So that is the emotion that you should have, because you have seen the vision of your life 2 years before, or just now, right now also. Because right now, if you have seen, you will try to execute, there will come a failure and you will just stop that work. But you have seen a vision 1 year earlier, you have to execute it now. Now whatever people will say, no matter whatever happens, I will do this thing. I will not listen to people's. No more. No matter it is turning out worse, it is not looking good, that work is not up to the mark, you have to continue working, because one day will come when you will achieve excellence in that work. It will look good, it will, from all the aspects, it will look perfectly fine to you, not to others, and you will succeed. You just have to do that with emotions. You have to recall your emotions. What were the emotions, and what was that work in which I had emotions, and why I left it. I have to continue doing that, and also check out why have I left that, how had I emotions in that work, and how was I able to produce massive work. So you have to use emotions, recall emotions, create emotions to do that work that you like to do. Thank you.